it's Jixie again, and Katie's here for another Sunday craziness.
Hey guys.
So it's a lovely day outside, but it's still not warm enough to do the ice bucket challenge, so we'll save that for later in the summer. Instead, we went to Toys R Us today, and we got these really cute, chubby puppy things that also, like, they wag. No, they don't wag. They waddle, though, don't they? They move. They have batteries inside, and they move when you switch them on. So we're just going to test them out. And mine are called Davida, which I think I did research this, but I can't remember. It's greedy or chubby in Spanish or Portuguese, something like that. So I kind of like greedy, chubby little puppy name. So cute. It's a Chihuahua, and yours is called Bacon.
And
What's
it's
it called?
Pug.
Tell them why you called it Bacon.
Because it's got yeah, go show it.
It's alright. It has a little bacon thing that goes with it.
It's like cute, so I call it Bacon.
So yeah, you call
First, I'm gonna call it Poundwood, but I call it Bacon.
Who calls a pug Pound World? But okay, you like pugs, don't you? You like pug dogs.
Yeah, but that's my second favourite. First is Chihuahua.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have the Chihuahua because I like Yorkshire Terriers best, obviously because of certain reasons. Chloe, come here, baby. Come here, Chloe. Yes, because I have a real chubby bunny, not a chubby bunny. A chubby That's the challenge we're gonna do, which I still think we need to do. I have a real chubby puppy, and I have a fake chubby puppy. But I love a little girl so much. Oh my goodness, she's so gorgeous. Oh yes. You okay? You're right. You've been eating things. He's so silly. Oh wait, go on then, run away. Anyway, so I like Yorkshire Terriers, and then I like Chihuahuas. So that's why I got this. But they didn't have it. I didn't see. They didn't have a Yorkshire Terrier. Otherwise, I would have got that. But anyway, so without further ado, let's try the wobbly, shall we? Right, ready? On 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, do you see what puppies for them?
They're just so like.
Hey,
so cute. Little. Yeah. Oh. Hey, Bacon. Hey, Davida, come to me. No, okay, go away from me. We just go around in circles.
It's so funny.
Oh, it's so cute. Is Chloe scared?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, hi, baby. Come here. No?
Come on then.
I just really think it's so cute. If you put it in your hand, it's like they're really moving. Look.
Feels like Chloe's getting me. Chloe.
Oh, it really feels real. It's like you've got...
Chicken. Hello. Yeah.
What are you doing, Kate? Look, we're crashing to each other. They're following each other.
Are you coming to Mama? Come to Mama.
Princess Davida, because she's got a crown on.
Mine's called Prince Bacon.
Prince what's this?
Prince Bacon.
Prince Bacon! Is that a guy? Oh!
I think I'm going to waste the battery, so.
Yeah. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. I swear to God, guys, like that feeling that you get in your hand, it's like a real, like, mouse or something.
This
like
one Toys R Us, so you might want to get them.
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you want something that's just like cute and mildly entertaining,
But then, so it, back on it's got
battery, so you don't have to wind it up. It's a battery operated thingy-majig.
Like, you don't have to do that and then else.
Yeah, you don't have to do
Like,
you don't have to.
and just leave it and then walk away.
Well, don't walk away because that'll waste batteries.
Yeah.
But yeah. So they're a lot of fun. And if you really want to scare your real dog, yeah, I suggest these.
Hi.
Chloe, come here, baby. Come on.
Baby.
Oh. Chloe, oh, come here. It's all right. Come here. Come on.
here.
Come here.
It's better.
You okay, baby? Come here. Oh, because Chloe got her booster the other day, didn't she?
Look at these.
Anyway, so bye, Chloe.
Bye.
So anyway, that's that. That's the video and bacon, and we should probably say goodbye right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no! First of all, I'll show you your JoJo book.
This is my JoJo book. This girl on YouTube. Okay. Bye.
No, tell them.
This girl from YouTube is called JoJo, so she made JoJo Vlogs.
Okay. And I got a
JoJo
hat
with the bow.
today that has Tokyo on it because I like Tokyo and Japan and everything Japanese and stuff. But we're going to Disneyland Paris in sometime in the summer.
Maybe I will go.
Maybe you might go, or you might go to Florida instead of Paris. But I'm totally looking forward to it. And I want to see Aurora, who's my favourite Disney princess.
And
My question to you guys today is, what is your favourite princess, Disney princess?
And what's your favourite dog?
What's your favourite? Oh yeah, what's your favourite breed of dog? Yes, I really want to know. We really want to know. So we're going to say goodbye?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let the dog say goodbye.
Okay, right, ready? Dogs in the left hand, or you going to pace with your right hand?
Yeah. There.
Right, okay. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3, pace!